One day is longer than a year. Is it possible? Reading the title, one may tend to say immediately a firm no. How can one day be longer than 1 year? Because one day is just 24 hours, whereas 1 year is 365 long days. That is at least 8,760 hours. So it is certainly not possible that one day can be longer than 1 year. Perhaps after thinking for a while, one may say, it is possible perhaps in a poetic or symbolic way. But what do I mean when I say one day is longer than 1 year? I don't mean it metaphorically nor biblically. For instance, with the presence of her lover, a girl may feel that even 1 hour flees like a minute. I don't mean that. Or a boy waiting for his lady love, even for 5 minutes, feels like 5 hours for him. I don't mean that either. Or a person being hospitalized due to some illness may feel that a few days there look like a few weeks long. I don't mean that also. Or in the scriptures, we find that the way of God's counting is different from that of human beings. What is 1,000 years or one day is not the same for God. As we find in 2 Peter chapter 3 verses 8 and 9, but do not forget this one thing, dear friends. With the Lord, a day is like 1,000 years, and 1,000 years are like a day. Again, in the Psalm 90, verse 4, we find 1,000 years in your sight are like a day that has just gone by, or like a watch in the night. I don't mean that biblical sense also. What I mean when I say one day is longer than 1 year, literally and physically, one day is longer than 1 year. Is it possible? Yes, it is indeed possible. All that one has to do is that one has to shift to the planet Venus from the Earth, our neighboring celestial object Venus. There, on that planet, it is possible that one day is longer than 1 year. Yes, my dear friends, astronomy has taught us several interesting things about the planet Venus, known as the twin planet of our Earth. In many aspects, like size, the gravity, and so on, Venus and Earth are not differing much, though there are some strong variations between them. For example, Venus takes 243 days to rotate on its axis, while the Earth takes only 1 day, that is 24 hours. But Venus takes 225 days only to go around the Sun, while the Earth takes 365.25 days, that is 1 year, to do that journey. Here, it is interesting to note that the duration of one day is longer than the duration of 1 year on the planet Venus. One has to wait for more than 1 year to see the sunset or sunrise over there. In other words, one will become 1 year older before their day and night is changed. Since the Venus planet, unlike all other planets in the solar family, rotates from east to west, that is backwards, the sun will rise in the west over there, not in the east. Similarly, if one were born on the planet Mercury, one will be 1 year older for every 88 Earth days, as Mercury makes one rotation around the Sun in that quick duration. On the other hand, if one were born on the planet Neptune, one will be 1 year older only after 165 Earth years, as Neptune takes so many years to go around the Sun. The facts about the solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, and the whole universe are really amazing and exciting. Those who are interested can have a look at the basic factors of the solar system, easily available with the websites. Be that as it may, the point I like to highlight here is that from these astronomical facts, we need to learn a basic lesson. That is, we need to learn to be tolerant, patient, understanding, and accommodative in our claims and viewpoints. Very often, we tend to jump into conclusion very quickly, even before understanding the issues at hand fully. We are carried away by our prejudices, preconvinced, and preconceived ideas. We like to bring everything into our frameworks. Today, the dogmatic and fanatic positions create very many conflicts, even wars and bloodsheds in the world. Even in our day to day life situations, when one is not patient enough to clarify, or when one is not open enough to dialogue with others, we end up with fights and quarrels. Let us therefore learn to be patient and tolerant, open and humble to listen to the perspectives of the viewpoints of the others before we make judgments or jump into hasty conclusions. If only we were all like this, how a pleasant and humane our homes and society will become, how enriched our relationships will become. Yes, with these reflections, please read once again the title, and now you will not say a quick and firm no, but you will be patient and polite to ask me which planet do I refer to. So let's always be patient and tolerant, humble and polite, to clarify, to check with others, rather than be quick to jump into conclusion. Therefore, it is possible that one day is longer than 1 year. Thank you.